me, Simply Dallas, and today we have a humongous, ginormous tutorial just for you. So stick around and you can see what I'm about to do. So behind me, I have this 7.5 foot tall Brentwood pine. I got it off of Amazon. I'll make sure I link it down below so that it's accessible to all you folks at home. But I bought this tree back, I believe it was in May. And I was coming up with my 2024 Christmas theme, which I will reveal in another video. But I wanted something that was a little bit more lush, a little bit more vibrant, flocked. In other words, heavily snowed. But I'm really not in the market to purchase another Christmas tree. So I thought to myself, why don't I flock the tree? So when you order this or any of the snow flock products, it's going to come in a box. I got the 5 pound because obviously 7.5 foot tall tree. I want to make sure that I have plenty. And if not, I can always order more. But however, I think 5 pounds, it says 5 pounds will be more than plenty. It says that Arctic Frost, if for an 8-foot tree, you only need 1 to 1.5 pounds all the way up to a blizzard. And I'm going to show y'all that right here. So if you want to screenshot that. But anyway, so I purchased this product. We're going to be testing it out today. And stick around because it's going to be a winter wonderland in my den. So hopefully we don't make a mess. And I'm wearing kind of like a flip-floppy type of slide. So hopefully that stuff don't get all over me. But it's trial and error. That's all about DIYs. All right, guys. So this is the 7.5 foot Brentwood pine. Like I said, I will leave this in the description box down below. You can check it out on Amazon. I think it's absolutely stunning the way it is. However, like I said, I'm going for that more wintry wonderland type of look. That is not my theme, but this is what it looks like. Now, before we get started, there are a few supplies, household supplies that you will need, and those supplies are right here. So, did you get your supplies? Have you ordered your flocking? Well, if you haven't, pause this video, like it, don't forget to subscribe, and save it. So when your flocking comes in, set up your laptop, set up your phone, set up your tablet, and follow along, and do it with me. What better special way? And if for anybody wondering what this tape is for, it is for a lot of new pre-lit trees that you get today. They have those automatic connection through the pole, like where you just simply just put the tree sections on top of each other and they interlock through the pole, and that's where all the electrical wires are. So just out of safety and precaution, I like to use painter's tape for anything that I don't want flocking and a mess to get all over. And also your tree stand. If you don't want flocking or anything like that, you can go to the dollar store, you can go to Walmart, you can go to Target, and you can get those plastic drop cloths and just simply cut and just wrap it around the base of your tree stand. And just take the tape it up, and you're good to go. All right, guys. So as per instructions, it says you want to lightly mist. Don't over drench your branches. And we're just going to test this little small area. I'm just going to lightly mist my tree. Try to get up in there. Like I said, do not soak. The instructions said if you over soak it, it makes the powder translucent, and we don't want that. So I've got a little bit of my strainer. It wants you to use a cylinder strainer or colander or strainer. It's a strainer. And I'm just going to lightly, completely forgot this stuff, lightly dust it. You guys are probably laughing at me at home, and that's perfectly fine because I'm laughing on the inside because I've never done this before. We're just going to go with it. All right, so let's go with another application. And this is actually really, really fun. Really fun. And I'm not being sarcastic. It's actually really fun. I'm going to go ahead and get to the top. Now I'm on the back side, and like I said, before you do any type of application, you want to lightly mention, make sure you're doing this in sections, because you don't want to spray this section, you know, and then your snow flock accidentally gets down on that section, per se, and you run out of flock. Stuff gets everywhere. Alright guys, so I am sweating in here, but I just wanted y'all to see, you know, how realistic and good this stuff is. Like, it's absolutely amazing. I've already done the very top, and it's very challenging because the strainer gets it, I ain't gonna lie to you, it gets stopped up very easy, but it is very pliable flocking, and I do like that. And you can put on as much or as little as you want. Alright y'all, so I think we have got a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful tree. Absolutely stunning. And like I said, you just want to lightly go over it when you're done. Just literally just go over it. Don't drench it, don't soak it, just lightly mist it. And what that does is it allows for this to become dry. It allows it to seal into the tree, so that when you go to pack it away, you don't have a bunch of powder flying all over the place. That is it, y'all. That is a complete done DIY. I am going to let this dry for 72 hours, and then we will come back and we will see the finished product and see what it actually looks like all dried and done. Should have put down a bigger drop cloth. I actually have a 6x6 square canvas type of material drop cloth, and I should have gotten something that was bigger. I'm completely drenched in sweat. As I stated, it was hot in here, but this is a lot better, I think, than doing it outside and risk the wind blowing 50% of my product away. So this, I have a little bit more control. I have a ceiling fan above me. Turned out phenomenal.